Hello student, welcome back to the class. I hope you all are going good and I am also good. So let's start our new chapter today, and that is about disease. The disease affect the normal function of the body. Every disease has certain characteristics or symptoms. तो हर disease जो होते हैं ना उसके अपने अलग characteristics होते हैं, कुछ symptoms होते हैं. Read the symptoms and try to diagnose the disease. First, it is a virus attack on human respiratory tract. तो ये respiratory tract पर attack करता है and causing symptoms such as fever, headache, cough, sore throat and nasal congestion, fatigue, body. This is influenza. Then it is an inflammation of the liver that causes symptoms such as jaundice, extreme fatigue, nausea, vomiting and stomach pain. That is hepatitis B. Then the first stage consisting of shaking and chills. The next stage involves high fever. यानी first stage पे होता है ठंड लगती है और बुखार चढ़ता है. सेकेंड स्टेज पे होता है हाई फीवर, severe headache, and into the final stage the infected person temperature drops and he or she sweats profusely. ठीक है, फाइनल स्टेज पे आके क्या होता है कि जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो गिर जाता है और बहुत ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होने लगती है, एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड मलेरिया. देन इट इज़ infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2 virus, and it is the most recently discovered disease that is identified by in 2019, that is कोरोना वायरस. ठीक है, ये SARS-CoV-2 वायरस अभी रिसेंट 2019 में डिटेक्ट किया गया. देन फिफ्थ, the patient has slight to moderate fever as sore throat and rash which is often located as armpits or groin. तो armpits में क्या होता है rashes हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, और moderate fever रहता है. The skin peels and the patient get a coarse pink tongue, a condition known as strawberry tongue. strawberry type की pink tongue हो जाती है and this is called scarlet fever. The Vajis were a confederacy of 8 clans among whom the Lichvis and the Videha were the most powerful. तो जो वजीज थे उनकी 8 क्लेन्स को मिलाकर एक उनकी पॉलिटिकल यूनियन टाइप था, ठीक है, जिसमें लिचवीज और विदेहा सबसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल थे. दीज संघ्स और क्लेन्स रूल द किंगडम टुगेदर. ये संघ और क्लेन्स मिलकर किंगडम को रूल करते थे. सम पीपल वर चूजन फ्रॉम दीज क्लेन्स एज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. इनमें से कुछ लोग रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के रूप में चुने जाते थे. दे डिस्कस ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट मैटर एंड इशू and decisions were taken on the basis of the majority vote. ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ पे वो लेते थे, डिसीजन लेते थे. Then we have keywords. 1. Each of the 4 Hindu castes, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra, Ashwamedha horse sacrifices performed by the king. Janpad, small settlement that turned into large territories, and Mahajanpad, the bigger and powerful among Mahajanpads, were called Mahajanpads. Bhaga, 1/6 of the crops produced which was given to the Raja as tax. So I hope children you really enjoy the chapter and you learn many more new things from the chapter. Now do practice at home. Produce which was given to the Raja as tax. So I hope children you really enjoy the chapter and you learn many more new things from the chapter. Now do practice at home. 11th, in addition to sexual contact, this disease is spread by infected injection needles, and the virus can also be passed through blood transfusion, and infected mother can transmit it to infant before, during or shortly after birth. तो ये sexual contact से होता है और infected injection से भी होता है, ठीक है, और blood transfusion से भी होता है. ये होता है HIV/AIDS. Then 12th is it is usually a bacterial infection. These bacteria can live in human body without causing infection for years. तो ये जो बैक्टीरिया हैं ह्यूमन बॉडी में रहते हैं बिना किसी इन्फेक्शन को किए, and only surface when another illness has lowered the person's immunity to disease. This is called measles. So I hope children you really enjoy the chapter. Now do practice.